Welcome to 20 Green Flowers for Unique Garden Designs. Today, we'll explore some of the most beautiful, refreshing, and elegant green blooms that can transform your garden into a serene, one-of-a-kind paradise. From rare roses to tropical orchids, each flower brings its own magic, and all of them look stunning against the backdrop of a charming home garden. Let's begin our journey into shades of green. One, Bells of Ireland. Tall and architectural, Bells of Ireland offers striking green bell-shaped bracts that add height and drama to any border. They symbolize good luck, making them perfect for welcoming guests to your home. Plant them along pathways or near an entryway to create a grand yet inviting feel. 2. Green chrysanthemum. Fresh, vibrant, and versatile, green chrysanthemums bring an energizing pop of color. They pair beautifully with white or purple blooms and are excellent for cut flower arrangements, adding a lively green accent to your garden and your vases. 3. Envy zinnia. Bold chartreuse petals make envy zinnias stand out in any flower bed. Their crisp, modern look works wonderfully in contemporary garden designs, and they're easy to grow, thriving in sunny spots. 4. Lady's mantle. Known for its soft, velvety leaves and tiny, frothy green blooms, Lady's mantle glistens with morning dew. It's perfect for edging garden beds or softening stone paths, creating a romantic, old-world atmosphere. 5. Green hellebore. Blooming in late winter or early spring, green hellebores add life when most of the garden is still asleep. Their muted green petals blend beautifully into woodland gardens or shaded corners. 6. Green rose. Rare and mysterious, green roses bring an unexpected twist to the classic rose form. Their layered petals and unusual hue add sophistication to formal gardens and make exceptional conversation starters. 7. Green tulip. With cream petals streaked in green, these tulips are like living works of art. Plant them in clusters for a painterly effect that brightens spring borders and complements other pastel flowers. 8. Anthurium midori. Tropical and glossy, Anthurium midori adds a lush, exotic touch to patios and indoor-outdoor spaces. Their sculptural shape and vibrant green space create a modern, stylish statement. Nine, Hydrangea limelight. Famous for its large, pale green flower heads, Hydrangea limelight transforms over the season, shifting from chartreuse to creamy white and even soft pink, a showstopper for garden borders. Ten, green orchid. Elegant and exotic, green orchids bring a luxurious tropical vibe. Their refined form make them ideal for shaded patios or as a unique centerpiece in floral designs. (11) Green carnation. Symbolizing elegance and luck, green carnations are beloved in both gardens and bouquets. Their riffled petals and fresh color make them versatile and long-lasting. (12) Dianthus green trick. These mossy, spherical blooms look like tiny green pom-poms. They add playful texture to beds and borders, and their unusual look draws curious glances. (13) Calla lily green goddess. Sleek, sophisticated, and architectural, Calla lily green goddess brings drama to any garden. Their trumpet-shaped blooms look stunning near water features or in minimalist landscapes. (14) Nicotiana lime green. These fragrant flowers open in the evening, releasing a sweet scent that attracts night pollinators. Nicotiana lime green is perfect for moon gardens and twilight seating areas. (15) Gladiolus green. Tall spikes of fresh green blossoms make gladiolus green an excellent backdrop plant. They add height and movement to garden beds, especially in summer breezes. (16) Green bells fuchsia. Rare and unusual, green bells fuchsia offer dangling blooms that are perfect for hanging baskets. Their cascading form brings softness to verandas and patios. (17) Cymbidium orchid apple green.
With fresh apple green hue, these cymbidium orchids are tropical gems. They work beautifully in both garden pots and indoor displays. Euphorbia caraceus wolfini. This drought-tolerant perennial is famous for its striking chartreuse bracts and architectural form, ideal for sunny, dry spots in the garden. Green spider mum. Artistic and dramatic, green spider mums feature long, curling petals that radiate like fireworks. They add a bold, sculptural touch to any floral display. Alstromia lime. Soft, cheerful, and long-lasting, Alstromia lime blooms in clusters, perfect for cutting gardens. Their gentle green tones complement brighter flowers beautifully.
From architectural forms to delicate textures, green flowers bring a fresh dimension to garden design. Whether you choose one standout variety or a mix of these 20 unique blooms, your garden will feel more serene, stylish, and connected to nature. Let your creativity grow, and may your home be surrounded by lush greenery all year long. If you enjoyed this green garden journey, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more beautiful garden inspirations.